Back with another one. I found another little interesting body cam video for us to watch of some crazy stuff, of course, but it's about some people getting arrested. 3 women arrested after attacking cops over a $1 pizza. A $1 pizza, folks. Listen, America, cut it out. Y'all ain't making no type of sense. But anyway, we're going to get into the video. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let's chat about it. Let's talk about it. Talk with me. Come on. Y'all like y'all scared to talk, you know? But anyway, in the video we are.
911.
Hi, can I get a piece of, police to the ghetto?
Can I get a pizza? I mean, a police officer.
What's going on?
You need to give me my $12.
I'm not giving you anything. You need to leave or you'll be under arrest for trespassing.
Ain't nobody trespassing.
I know. You are now being told to leave. You're now being trespassed.
Let this leave. I swear to God, let this leave. I tell you. Y'all.
Listen, from the moment I seen this scene right here, I haven't seen this video. I'm just now watching it with y'all. But from the moment I just spotted her right there in a couple seconds, that was gonna be the problem one. I don't know. They all kind of look rowdy, but that one right there, coming out the house looking like that, she ain't playing.
Because they don't want to give me my money back for this pizza, and I don't want it.
What's your name?
My name Coco.
Coco, what's your last name?
Coco really called the popo. Coco really called the popo. Coco called the popo.
What began as a dispute between 3 women and a clerk at a convenience store rapidly escalated when the women made a scene over a pizza.
Hello?
Yeah, they charged me for a pizza. Now he's telling me I owe him $1. I don't even want the pizza. He left. Him and his wife just left. Some black girl in there. And they didn't give me my $12 back, so I want my money back. I don't want the pizza. I don't even want the pizza. I don't care.
And you already know I don't even play with people. So now she got to wait till somebody to refund from Goldie. I'm not getting my shit.
They came back for another, but the situation turned sour when they began to complain that the pizza was cold. The situation escalated when they sought a refund and ultimately called 911.
I told them I was going to send my stepdaddy up here to get the pizza. She gets on the phone telling me about $1. I said, what's the dollar for? I already paid for the pizza. Go to receipt right here. I got some other shit. The kids and shit didn't ate that shit already. That was 40 minutes ago. I don't even want the pizza. I don't trust the pizza. Remind you.
So we gonna call the police. All right, we're gonna take taxpayers' dollars, our dollars, call the police over a gas station pizza. Y'all calculate that and make that make sense. Cause it don't make no sense, man.
Can I get my $12?
The suspects were blurred due to a technical error, but if you watch closely, you can see the women escalating the situation, even after officers offered to give them $1 in an attempt to de-escalate the issue.
I'll pay the $1.
Okay, I told them I would have paid the damn $1.
Yo. So is it about the dollar or not, man? Y'all, what are y'all mad about? Principle? Take the $1, bruh.
About the $1, baby. I got plenty of money.
It's not even about
It's
you.
not about the $1.
My boss.
I got plenty of money, baby. Plenty of money in here. It's not about the $1. I'm not about the $1.
This isn't.
It's not about the $1.
This is not her fault.
I wasn't okay, but call Goldie and them back up here, because I don't want the pizza.
I'm the manager. They
it's up to them.
ain't coming back. They gotta go to the block. They ain't coming back. That's why I'm
Okay,
here.
well, give me my $12 back, because I don't want the pizza.
The way she carrying that bag is crazy. Number 2, bro, if I was the cop, I'd give it the $12 too, man.
It's already paid for. It's already made.
I don't want it. It's going to stay in the kitchen. I'll throw it away later.
You know, the customer was right.
I'm sorry, what?
Customer is right.
What y'all going to do about the
Customer's
pizza,
right.
because I don't want it? And can I get
Well,
my
I mean,
$12 back?
you don't have to come down here and buy anything from them. You know what I mean? That's,
They didn't tell me that.
So when he came to pizza,
I don't even trust the pizza.
paid for.
That's cool.
so where we're at here,
Is y'all going to give me my $12 back?
I'm not giving you anything.
Could they give me my $12 back? I don't want the
I
pizza.
don't believe that they can because the pizza was made.
That's
That don't make no sense.
So do you want your pizza?
I don't want the pizza.
Watch that one with,
if they like.
Okay. So you can.
watch that one with the Cynthia. She's a really cool dancer. Dude in the back, man. Y'all better watch her. Keep y'all eyes on her, bro. Let her go back in there like that. These cops is tripping.
You can file a civil suit against them for $12.
$12?
I'm saying that's it. It's a civil situation.
Well, back up here. Whoever his name is. I'm not from Denver. I don't know what's going on.
Their pizza.
I'm not paying for
They said
that.
that she could have the pizza.
She can't have the pizza.
It gotta be something. You gotta get that $12.
You see the way she's stuttering? Like she glitching, bruh. This girl is not wired correctly. She's glitching. There was a bad electrician up there. We wired her shit.
Go to my sister, or it's gonna be that. Fuck you talking about.
You charge somebody a certain price. You tell me that the pizza is $11.99, $12.
I'm scared of her. Listen, if you out there, shorty, I'm sorry. I'm not like You cool. We cool. We live here.
You don't tell me about no charge fee. I tell you, it's gonna be ready in 20 minutes. Come back in 20 minutes. You owe me $1.
Yo, man, so him trying to get over.
You gonna pay for it? You gonna pay the extra $1 if somebody tells you that they owe you extra $1?
This is all over $1.
Are you one of them?
Yeah, it's $1.
Okay.
It's the principle of the situation.
Here's
That's
the
all I'm not getting.
You know, if motherfucker would have asked you for $1, you know, you would have.
Why is we letting them back into the store? Like, usher them out to the street. Like, get out of here, man. Why are we letting them go back to the store? Y'all asking for chaos.
If you can have your pizza,
I don't want that pizza.
then you need to leave.
Then you need to give me my $12.
I'm not giving you anything. You need to leave or you'll be under arrest for trespassing.
Ain't nobody trespassing.
I know. You are now being told to leave.
You're now being trespassed, so get out.
I swear to God, let's just say, I tell you, y'all bitches ain't here.
Don't you push on me.
Yo, she hit him with the hand on the back, grab your arm. Rah. She hit him with that. What?
Boy. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Yeah.
Get off. Get back. Everybody. Police officers. Stop. Walk to the police. Get off.
Get off now. You're under arrest.
Shorty got a onesie on? They sell onesies that big?
You want to be released. You want to get back right now. Get back. Turn around. Walk. Turn around. Right now. Get off now.
You want really assistance here right now.
Has Dr. Umar seen this? Has Dr. Umar seen this? This is a perfect scene for Dr. Umar. So Jesse Jackson, I don't even, somebody, man. This is crazy.
Walk to the car. Walk to the car. Get back.
I'm gonna tell you a good solid fear to have in this world, right? Is, listen to me closely. I'm gonna get to the mic. A solid fear to have in this world is you calling the police and they lock you up.
Get up on your knees.
Let me stand up. Let me
All right, get up.
Y'all done dirtied up that woman once and chill out. Now the $1 went to $12. Now y'all owe her $24.
You know me. Y'all need to take these handcuffs out.
Walk to that car. No.
Call my lawyer.
Walk to that car.
Call my lawyer.
Okay, you can call your lawyer.
Call my lawyer. Make sure they know.
Cough it up. One of y'all, $24. $24 right now. Cough it up.
I'm in the middle of
I'm her lawyer.
a injury lawsuit.
Yeah, man.
And he pushed me. So I did put my hands on him.
I'm trolling. I'm trolling y'all.
What's your name? Get all their names. What's all their names?
Down now.
Okay, listen. Just like that other video, all right, where the woman was given noggin. And if you don't know what noggin is, you need to go into the comments and somebody will tell you what noggin is. There was a woman giving noggin to a guy on the side of technically the road, on the sidewalk or whatever. Okay, she starts acting disorderly. The cops get a hold of her and the guy runs. He escapes, right? He takes off. My theory in most situations is if the cops got their hands on you, I'm going to head out. If the cops got their hands on me, you should head out, because who's going to bail who out? Right now, this woman's breaking the rule. She is sticking around thinking that her putting her phone in these cops' faces is going to stop, slow, break, confuse. I don't know what she thinks is going to happen from this, but nothing's going to happen other than them jumping on you. That's all I got to say.
Have a seat. Sit down, please.
Get out of here.
Sit down in the car.
Why y'all want a lady
Sit down in the car. Sit down.
And the way she's wearing that bag is ridiculous.
The car. Get in the car.
I am in the car. His name is Kingdom.
Who wears a bag
His
like
name is
that?
Fryer. His name is
Name
Garney.
will be on your.
Kingdom Fryer.
Step back. You can record just back there, okay?
Get him. Get him. He pushed me.
Get in the car.
I will be recording from the house. I'll be recording from the crib. I'm in the crib recording because I'm not there no more.
We have all here to put you in the car. Get in the car.
Get him.
I don't want to leave my peoples behind, but I gotta leave you behind because I gotta come get you. That's always been the rule. I always come get.
He the one that pushed me.
Don't touch me.
Just step back. You can record. You can record. Just step back.
Don't touch me.
You can record. Just step back there.
Don't touch me.
I'm not gonna touch you.
Don't touch me.
I'm not gonna touch you. Just step back.
Because I'm going to sue the fuck out of your bitch. Don't touch me.
Really?
No, but she not hard, that bitch. She not hard. She not hard.
95.
What?
All right, you're under arrest also.
I'm not under arrest.
Look, I'm. Damn. Listen, I'm about to educate y'all real quick. Cops got codes. Y'all do know that. Like, you know what I'm saying? 187 type stuff. You know what I'm saying? So one of them, I'm normally used to hearing 10-15 for a lockup. Like, we about to lock you up right now. 10-15. I guess what this is 95. So yeah, you hear 10-15 or wherever this county is, you hear 95, bro, you're gone. You're up the river.
Be arrested.
Don't touch me.
Yep. Hands behind your
Again, the way she's wearing that bag is ridiculous.
back.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not under the arrest for shit.
Yes, you are. We're
Yes, you
telling
are.
you right now you are.
Don't
Criminal
touch me.
damage to property.
Don't touch me.
Criminal damage to property? Oh, I guess they doing that for whatever happened in the store. Okay, that makes sense. Because I was confused. I was like, when did she damage some property? But yeah, all of them are kind of guilty of that property going out the store. Even though I think it was really Shorty in that Columbia jacket. She seemed the most moved by what's going on.
Do not kick.
Right now.
Hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind
You
your back.
stepping on my glass.
Put
I
your
need my
fucking
glass.
hands behind your back.
Can I have my glasses?
Yes, ma'am. We'll
I
get your
can't
glasses.
stay without my glasses.
We'll get your glasses. Just take a pic. Roll to your side. Roll to your side. You roll to your side.
No, I cannot. My side hurt. I'm in the middle of the lawsuit. I just got out of an accident.
Okay.
I'm suing the out of y'all.
We're gonna help you get.
Who is KK?
All right, we're gonna get you up to your feet, okay?
I don't want y'all to touch me. Don't
We're
touch
gonna have to help you get to your
Please don't
feet.
touch me. Don't touch me.
Get up.
Don't touch me. Y'all gonna be here for all day. Don't touch me.
Oh, that's not gonna happen. We can't. Get up.
Don't touch me. Send me a
Man,
woman.
they've already
Don't touch me.
proven that they will put once the cops prove that they down to put hands on you, they don't stop until you go to jail. Like, they're gonna keep putting hands on you. On like the first initial, can I search you? You're getting hands put on you from there on. You mind if I pat you down, buddy? You mind if I give you a little pat down? You ain't got no guns, bazookas, knives, needles, anything that's gonna poke me, huh? As soon as you hear that, you're getting touched all night. And that's not the first time they're gonna search you, and that's not the last. Oh, it's the first time, but it's not gonna be the last.
All right, let's figure out. All right.
Do not touch me.
It doesn't matter.
Don't touch
Stand
me.
up. Stand up.
Take your legs off.
Don't touch me.
Stand up.
Don't touch me.
Hey! Kid,
I was thinking in my head, where was this girl right here? And the cops were smart enough to make sure they put this one up immediately off the rip. Get rid of this one, because that's she. I told y'all I'm scared. So she ain't wound time. I'm surprised she's still locked up in there. I'm surprised she ain't built the roof back. You feel me? Jeepers creepers about that mud. You feel me? This woman's soul a little different.
shit, bro. Like, what the Like, come on now, bro. Then he just slammed me on the ground, gang. And he hurt my fucking neck, bro. What the
He just slammed me on the ground, gang. All them cops lucky they alive.
Like, bro, this is so stupid.
They're lucky they alive right here with this
I don't
one.
understand shit, bro. He just put his hands on me, then he choked me, bro. What the
Damn,
fuck,
man.
Then you just...
Well, that was a good video. It was a very interesting video. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until